In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Telegram on your Windows laptop or PC. So for it, you need to go to your Windows search option, and in the search option, you need to search for Microsoft Store. And if you search for Microsoft Store, you will see this Microsoft Store option. So you need to click here. And after opening the Microsoft Store, you need to go to the search option, and in the search option, you need to search for Telegram Desktop. And here you can see Telegram Desktop. So you need to click on this option, and here you can see Telegram Desktop. So we need to click on Get, and there you can see getting ready. So after a few seconds, it will start installing Telegram on our Windows. There you can see it is installing, and it's around 64 MB, and it's done. So since the installation is complete, so we just need to click on Open, and it will open the Telegram app. And here you can see, so if we just go to the search option, and if we now search over here Telegram, here you can see Telegram Desktop. Okay, so here I can just click here start messaging. So I can just scan this using my camera. There you can see there is some instruction over here how you can scan this and log into the Telegram by using your phone. So yeah, this is how you can install Telegram on Windows. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.